Have you heard the claim that humans only use 10% of their brain? It's a fascinating idea popularized by movies like Lucy, where unlocking 100% of brain power led to extraordinary abilities. But here's the truth. This idea is completely false. Modern neuroscience has proven that we use virtually every part of our brain, just not all at once. And for good reason. In today's video, we're diving into the question, can we ever use 100% of our brain? Plus, we'll reveal 5 mind-blowing facts about your brain that will change how you see this incredible organ. From its insane speed to its constant rewiring, your brain is far more complex and active than most people realize. So let's bust some myths, explore real science, and uncover the hidden secrets of your brain. Welcome to Knowledge and Facts, where we dive deep into the mysteries of science, the universe, and everything fascinating in between. If you're ready to expand your mind, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's explore together. You've probably heard the popular myth that humans only use 10% of their brains. But this idea is completely false. Modern neuroscience has debunked it using advanced tools like MRI and fMRI, which show that nearly every part of the brain has some level of activity throughout the day. Even during rest or sleep, areas involved in processes like breathing, emotions, and memory remain active. The origin of this myth is unclear, but likely stems from misunderstandings of early neuroscience studies or misquotes from famous scientists. In reality, the brain is an incredibly efficient organ with different regions working together to control movement, problem-solving, decision-making, and more. While not every neuron is firing at once, over the course of a day, almost all areas are used for various tasks. So the next time someone mentions the 10% myth, you can confidently say, we use much more than that. Now that we've debunked the myth of the 10% brain usage, let's dive into the fascinating truths about your brain. Starting with fact number 1. Did you know your brain is one of the biggest energy consumers in your body? Let's find out why. Your brain might only make up about 2% of your body weight, but it consumes a whopping 20% of your body's energy. This energy fuels essential tasks like thinking, processing emotions, controlling movement, and even maintaining basic functions like breathing and heartbeat. Even when you're resting or sleeping, your brain stays active, ensuring your body functions smoothly. That's why a healthy diet rich in nutrients like glucose, omega-3s, and antioxidants is crucial for keeping your brain sharp and energized. This massive energy demand highlights just how important and hardworking your brain really is. It never takes a break. Your brain processes information at incredible speeds, up to 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car. Signals between neurons, called synapses, transmit electrical and chemical messages nearly instantaneously, allowing you to react to stimuli, solve problems, and process emotions in the blink of an eye. This lightning-fast communication is why you can catch a falling object, recognize a familiar face, or make split-second decisions. Your brain's speed truly makes it one of the most efficient processors on Earth. Your brain is constantly changing and adapting, a process called neuroplasticity. This means it can rewire itself by forming new connections between neurons in response to learning, experiences, or even injury. For example, when you practice a skill, like learning a new language or playing an instrument, your brain strengthens pathways related to that activity. Similarly, if one part of the brain is damaged, another area can often adapt to take over its functions. Neuroplasticity is why lifelong learning is so powerful and why recovery from brain injuries is possible. Your brain is far more adaptable than you think. Did you know your brain can't feel pain? While it's the control center for processing pain signals from the rest of your body, the brain itself lacks pain receptors. This is why neurosurgeons can perform brain surgery on conscious patients without causing pain. However, the surrounding tissues, like the scalp and skull, do have pain receptors, which is why head injuries or headaches hurt. So, while your brain processes pain, it's ironically incapable of feeling it. Your brain is amazing, but your memories? Not so much. Memories aren't exact recordings of events. They're reconstructed each time you recall them. This means details can change or fade over time, influenced by emotions, new experiences, or even suggestions. Studies show that your brain fills in gaps, sometimes creating false memories or altering facts without you realizing it. So while your memories feel vivid and accurate, they're more like edited stories than perfect snapshots. Can we ever use 100% of our brain at once? No, and that's actually a good thing. While the myth that we only use 10% of our brain has been debunked, it's still not possible or practical to use 100% of our brain at the same time. Each part of the brain has a specialized function, from controlling movement to processing emotions or sensory input. If all areas were active simultaneously, it would lead to chaos in the body, such as involuntary muscle movements, overwhelming sensory overload, and inefficient energy use. The brain is designed to work in a highly coordinated and efficient way, with different regions activating as needed based on tasks and experiences. Advanced imaging techniques, like fMRI, show that nearly every part of the brain is active at various points throughout the day, but not all at once. Instead, the brain operates like a symphony, with different areas working together in harmony for optimal function. So the myth is officially busted. We do use 100% of our brain, just not all at once. And those 5 facts? Proof that your brain is one of the most incredible things in the universe. Which facts shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing videos. See you next time.